Hi people, I wanted to record for you real quickly just a quick tutorial on how to view the comments that I make on your assignments. So here we are at our class page, and when you submit an assignment like the personal profile or job reflection or other things, I'm going to make some comments on it. And you need to look at those comments and then you need to make changes. So here's how you view those comments. I'm pretending to be a student here, and I already made some comments on my personal profile. So the first thing you will do is you go to Grades, and under Grades you can see that I just recently had a 300-word personal profile text and pictures draft. I got an 8 out of 10. I can click on this one over here to see the comment below. I just put other comments. But what I really want to do is click on my 300-word personal profile link here, and I will go to the page where I have comments from the teacher here, other comments, Gary Whitby said, on the side. I can click on this one to download my personal profile, but I don't want to see that. I want to see the comments that my teacher made. So you click on this one here, View Feedback. Okay, so I click on that. And this will give me my document, and you can see I have comments here on the side throughout here. So actually what I want to do is make this bigger. How do I do that? Good question. Let me go back again. One more time on this assignment, View Feedback, and click on this one here, Enter Full Screen, okay, before you actually do it. And then you will see your whole document with all of the comments that I made. If you hold your mouse over the comment, it shows you where it is in the document I'm talking about. The other comment is over here. So you need to look at these comments and then make the changes that I am suggesting when you revise it and submit it to the final draft areas, okay? That's all I wanted to say. Please do that, because some of you are not looking at these specific comments.